Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to build their wealth: saving fees. Investing. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or you're a seasoned investor, understanding the difference between these two strategies is essential for making informed decisions about where to put your hard-earned money. So, buckle up and get ready to learn everything you need to know about saving and investing with JC Wealth Solution. Section 1. Understanding Saving. Heading: the foundation of financial stability. Saving is like laying the foundation for your financial house. It's all about setting money aside for short-term goals, emergencies, and unexpected expenses. Saving provides you with a safety net. But it's not just about stashing money under your mattress. There are strategic ways to save that can help your money grow over time. The importance of saving for short-term goals. When it comes to saving, having specific goals in mind can help keep you motivated and on track. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, a new car, or a down payment on a house, having a clear target can make it easier to prioritize your spending and allocate funds accordingly. By breaking down your goals into smaller, achievable milestones, you can build momentum and see progress over time. Strategies for maximizing your savings. Saving doesn't have to be complicated. There are plenty of simple yet effective strategies you can use to boost your savings rate. From automating your contributions to setting up separate savings accounts for different goals, finding the right approach for your financial situation can make all the difference. And don't forget to take advantage of any employer-sponsored retirement plans or other savings vehicles that offer tax advantages or employer matching contributions. The power of compound interest. One of the most powerful tools in the saving toolkit is compound interest. This magical force allows your money to earn interest not only on the initial amount you save, but also on the interest it accrues over time. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to compound, turning small contributions into significant sums over the long run. It's like planting a tree. The best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is now. Harnessing the magic of compound interest. To truly understand the power of compound interest, let's take a closer look at how it works. Imagine you invest $1,000 in a savings account with an annual interest rate of 5%. In the first year, you'll earn $50 in interest, bringing your total balance to $1,050. But here's where it gets exciting. In the second year, you'll earn interest not only on your initial $1,000, but also on the $50 you earned in interest the previous year. And the cycle continues, with your money snowballing over time and growing exponentially with each passing year. The importance of starting early. When it comes to compound interest, time is your best friend. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to the magic of compounding. Even small contributions made early on can have a significant impact on your long-term wealth, giving you a head start on achieving your financial goals. So don't wait, start saving today and harness the power of compound interest to secure your financial future. Building your emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and having an emergency fund can provide peace of mind when the unexpected happens. An emergency fund is a pool of cash set aside specifically to cover unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund, ensuring that you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. Why you need an emergency fund? Having an emergency fund is like having a financial safety net. It provides a cushion to fall back on when times get tough. Whether you're faced with a sudden illness, a major home repair, or an unexpected job loss, having cash on hand can help you weather the storm without derailing your long-term financial goals. And by keeping your emergency fund separate from your day-to-day spending, you can avoid the temptation to dip into it for non-essential expenses. How to build an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund takes time and discipline, but the peace of mind it provides is well worth the effort. Start by setting a realistic savings goal based on your monthly expenses and income. Then create a plan to gradually build up your fund over time. Look for ways to cut back on non-essential expenses and redirect those savings into your emergency fund. And remember, consistency is key. Even small contributions can add up over time. So stick with it and stay focused on your goal. Section 2, Exploring Investing heading, Putting Your Money to Work. While saving is essential, investing takes your money to the next level. Investing is all about putting your money to work for you, allowing it to grow and generate returns over time. Unlike saving, which focuses on preserving capital, investing aims to grow your wealth by taking calculated risks in the financial markets. The benefits of investing. Investing offers several key benefits that can help you achieve your financial goals faster than saving alone. First and foremost, investing has the potential to generate higher returns than saving, thanks to the power of compounding and the ability to earn dividends, interest, and capital gains on your investments. Additionally, investing can help you beat inflation, ensuring that your money maintains its purchasing power over time. The importance of long-term thinking. When it comes to investing, patience is indeed a virtue. While the stock market may experience short-term fluctuations and volatility, history has shown that over the long term, it tends to trend upward. By adopting a long-term mindset and staying focused on your investment goals, you can ride out market ups and downs and position yourself for success over time. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint, so stay the course and trust in the power of compounding to grow your wealth over time. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. One of the golden rules of investing is diversification, spreading your investments across a variety of assets to reduce risk. By diversifying your portfolio, you can minimize the impact of any one investment performing poorly while maximizing the potential for overall growth. From stocks and bonds to real estate and commodities, there are countless investment options available to suit your risk tolerance and financial goals. The benefits of a diversified portfolio. Diversification is like insurance for your investments. It helps protect you against the unforeseen and ensures that your portfolio remains resilient in the face of market volatility. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions, you can reduce the risk of suffering significant losses if one sector or market experiences a downturn. Additionally, diversification can help smooth out the highs and lows of your investment returns, providing more stable long-term growth. Exploring saving strategies heading high-yield savings accounts, making your money work harder. When it comes to saving, not all accounts are created equal. High-yield savings accounts offer higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow at a faster pace. These accounts are typically offered by online banks and credit unions and are FDIC or NCU insured, providing a safe and secure way to stash your cash while maximizing your returns. Automating your savings. Set it and forget it. One of the best ways to ensure consistent saving habits is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account on a regular basis, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. By automating your savings, you'll remove the temptation to spend the money elsewhere and make saving a priority without even thinking about it. Budgeting, the foundation of financial health. At the heart of any successful saving strategy lies a solid budget. A budget helps you track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and prioritize your financial goals. Whether you prefer the traditional envelope method or a digital budgeting app, finding a budgeting system that works for you is essential for achieving your saving goals. Section 5. Delving deeper into investing heading, understanding risk, the yin and yang of investing. When it comes to investing, risk and reward go hand in hand. While higher risk investments have the potential for greater returns, they also come with increased volatility and the possibility of loss. On the other hand, lower risk investments may offer more stability but typically come with lower returns. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial for building a well-balanced investment portfolio that aligns with your financial goals. Time horizon, the long game beats. The short game. Your time horizon, or the length of time you plan to hold your investments, plays a significant role in shaping your investment strategy. For long-term goals like retirement, you may be able to afford to take on more risk and invest in higher growth assets like stocks. However, for short-term goals like buying a house or funding a college education, you'll want to prioritize stability and liquidity to ensure that your money is there when you need it. Tax-efficient investing, keeping more of what you earn. Taxes can eat into your investment returns, but with strategic tax planning, you can minimize their impact and keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. From contributing to tax-advantaged retirement accounts like IRAs and 401(k)s to taking advantage of capital gains and dividend tax rates, there are several strategies you can use to optimize your tax efficiency and maximize your after-tax returns. Section 6. Taking action heading, setting SMART goals, turning dreams into reality. When it comes to saving and investing, setting clear and actionable goals is essential for success. Use the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound to define your financial goals and create a roadmap for achieving them. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, building a college fund for your children, or planning for retirement, having a clear plan in place will keep you motivated and on track. Monitoring your progress, course correction along the way. Once you've set your goals and implemented your saving and investing strategies, it's important to regularly monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and your financial plan should be flexible enough to adapt to changing circumstances. Whether it's revisiting your budget, rebalancing your investment portfolio, or adjusting your savings goals, staying proactive and engaged with your finances will set you up for long-term success. Conclusion, and there you have it, a comprehensive guide to saving V's. Investing, brought to you by JC Wealth Solution. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or you're a seasoned investor, understanding the difference between saving and investing is crucial for building a secure financial future. So, take the knowledge you've gained today, put it into action, and watch your wealth grow. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy saving and investing.